Vongai. I'm an online entrepreneur as well as a digital marketer. So I love innovation. That's more about me. But my role at AfriBlogs is I'm the digital marketing projects manager. Anything social media, some graphic designing, some email marketing, digital marketing projects manager. I'm more into innovation. So I think AfriBlogs is an innovative organization. As an individual, I am looking forward to having like a Silicon Valley, in African Silicon Valley here in Zimbabwe, based in Zimbabwe. I love digital marketing because that's where the life is. That's where the cooler things are happening. Digital marketing is, with the advent of COVID-19, everyone in every business is going online, and our services, they are well sought after nowadays. So digital marketing is the life nowadays.